If you need to share a spreadsheet in Google Drive, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're sending a file to a coworker, a client, or a classmate, Google Drive makes it easy to control exactly who can view, comment on, or edit your spreadsheet. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with the Google account that contains the spreadsheet you want to share. Once you're inside Drive, take a moment to locate your spreadsheet file. You can usually find it in your recent files, in a folder, or by using the search bar at the top of the page. If you have a lot of files, the search tool can save you a lot of time. When you found the spreadsheet, right-click on the file. This will open a menu with several options. From that menu, click Share. This is the main sharing window where you can decide exactly who gets access and what they can do with the file. Now you'll see a box where you can enter email addresses. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to share the spreadsheet with. You can add one person or several people at once, depending on who needs access. As you add each email, make sure you're entering the correct address so the file goes to the right person. Next, choose the permission level for each person. Google Drive usually gives you three main options: viewer, commenter, or editor. If you choose viewer, the person can only look at the spreadsheet. If you choose commenter, they can leave comments but not change the file itself. And if you choose editor, they can make edits directly to the spreadsheet. This step is important because it lets you control how much access each person gets. Before sending, double check your settings. Make sure the right file is selected, the email addresses are correct, and the permission level matches what you want. If you're sharing sensitive information, it's a good idea to be extra careful here so you don't give more access than necessary. Once everything looks good, click Send. Google Drive will then share the spreadsheet with the people you added, and they'll receive an email invitation with access to the file. After that, they'll be able to open the spreadsheet based on the permission level you chose, and that's it. You've now learned how to share a spreadsheet in Google Drive in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Google Drive tips, beginner guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.